Kikoff reports credit activity to the major credit bureaus, which means your payment behavior can show up on your credit file over time. By the end, you'll know how Kikoff works, whether it actually helps build credit, and what kind of results people usually expect from it. Start with what Kikoff is doing behind the scenes. Kikoff is a credit building tool that gives you a small line of credit through its system. You use that line to make purchases inside its platform, and your payments get reported to credit bureaus. Now explain what that means. Every on-time payment gets recorded as credit activity. That activity can contribute to your credit history, which is one of the factors used in credit scoring. Now explain the key limitation. Kikoff does not function like a traditional credit card. You cannot use it for normal everyday spending like groceries or gas. Now explain the structure. It is designed specifically for credit building behavior, not general spending. That means everything you do inside the account is controlled and limited by design. Now explain the main misunderstanding. Kikoff does not directly guarantee a specific credit score increase. Credit scores depend on multiple factors, not just one account. Now explain what it is good for. It is most useful for people who have little or no credit history and need to start building activity on their credit file. It creates a record of payment behavior that did not exist before. Now explain who sees less benefit. If you already have established credit cards or loans, Kikoff usually has a smaller impact compared to your existing credit accounts. Now explain how it works in practice. You log in, make payments through Kikoff's system, and those payments are reported as credit activity over time. Consistency is what matters, not one-time use. Now explain the realistic expectation. Kikoff is not a fast credit fix. It is a slow credit history builder that depends on repeated on-time payments. Now summarize the key points. Kikoff reports your payments to credit bureaus to build credit history. It works best for people with little or no credit, and it does not guarantee a specific credit score increase. One practical next step. D. Check your current credit profile first before signing up, because Kikoff is most useful when you are starting from little or no credit history. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit building tools and how they actually work.